Beyond Teddy Afro, the new era of Ethiopian music. For decades, Ethiopian pop music operated under a singular blueprint. When we think of monumental musical dominance, stadium-filling anthems, cultural unification, and poetic storytelling, one name immediately towers over the conversation: Teddy Afro. For years, the collective voice of music lovers and industry critics has been asking the same question: who is the next Teddy Afro? But what if that's the wrong question entirely? The paradigm shift, celebrating diversity over replacement. Searching for a singular heir to a legend forces an entire generation of artists into a shadow. It assumes that greatness in Ethiopian music can only look, sound, and feel one specific way. It's time for a fundamental shift in perspective. True musical excellence isn't about finding a carbon copy of what worked yesterday. It's about creating a vibrant ecosystem where distinct genres, regional roots, and modern experimentation coexist. When we stop searching for a single replacement, we unlock space to celebrate a rich spectrum of sound, from Ethio-jazz resurgence and modern Tigrinya and Oromo pop fusions to urban hip-hop and electronic Habesha beats. Diversity isn't the dilution of our culture, it's its expansion, breaking the mold. The rising stars who are actively breaking the mold. They aren't trying to mimic the Teddy Afro formula. They respect it, but they walk their own path. Take artists like Rophnan, who revolutionized the scene by weaving traditional pentatonic scales and indigenous rhythms seamlessly into modern electronic dance music. Or Kassmasse, who brought Anchihoye vibes into a fresh vintage meets hip-hop aesthetic. Consider artists who honor traditional instruments like the Krar and Washint while pairing them with contemporary storytelling, Afrobeat grooves, and soul. These artists prove a vital point. You don't have to choose between honoring your roots and creating something entirely new. They respect tradition by pushing it forward, not by repeating it verbatim. As fans and listeners, we hold the key to this evolution. Legacy isn't built by keeping an art form frozen in time. It is built by allowing it to grow, adapt, and breathe. So here is the call to action for every fan of Ethiopian music. Give the next era room to breathe. Stop asking new voices to wear old shoes. Celebrate the innovators, support the risk-takers, and stream the sounds that dare to be different. Let Teddy Afro's legacy remain undisputed in its own era, and let this new generation build a legacy that is unapologetically, uniquely its own.